going to pick up my van. I'm starting from 0. Like, I have nothing and I have no skills. Day 0 look. We got the shelf that I'm gonna get rid of. Need to remove all of these walls. It's got some weird heater. Okay, so while I don't have any tools, this is the only tools that I have, a screwdriver and another screwdriver. Okay, because I'm trying to get these little things out. So the whole walls are covered in these. I got one out already and it was a task and a half, but it's like this plastic thing stuck in there, and then it had this in that little hole. Just pried it off with this. That one was slow. That one was kind of fast. Oh no. Right here is an actual screw in it. I don't have the right tool. Oh well. Wow, I already feel so accomplished. It's like sunny but raining. I just hit my head so hard on this thing. This is the first thing to go, I swear. Piles. Another pile up here. I think I hit my head on this about 20 times just tonight, so that's good. Look what I got! And you know what's annoying? I have this thing. It's like kit with a bunch of drill bits in it. And I'm like about to open it. And then it has this tiny little zip tie on it. Now I have to walk all the way back inside to get scissors. All of that for that, huh? Just wanted to say that I knew this was going to be a learning experience, right? But I didn't even realize how much of one. This is a drill. Obviously. Maybe not obviously. Maybe you're like me and you've never, like, I've used a drill before, like a couple times, but like I've never like known how to use a drill, you know what I mean? I just figured out how to put this thing in when I first got this inside thing, which is called the chuck. I learned was all the way inside, and I was like, hey, how is this gonna fit in there, right? Like, I didn't understand. But turns out you just gotta like use the drill a bit and it'll come out. Keep it in the middle, this trigger doesn't press, but if you do forward, it works. Backwards. Okie dokie, friends and family. We got it. Took this top bolt out. Now I have to tackle these ones, which are bolted into the floor. Oh no. It's like so tight on there. I got it. Also, Brad, if you're watching this, thanks for letting me borrow some of your wrenches. They're really coming in handy. This one is proving itself to be a challenge. Literally to get this, I have to put my whole body into it. Oh my goodness. It just started hailing out of nowhere. Hailing. It's May. Okay, so this shelf is free. I did all 4 bolts at the bottom. I just gotta get rid of it. But next order of business is getting rid of this thing that I keep bumping my head on. It needs to leave now. So I just looked it up. Turns out this thing is a ladder keeper, it's called. You can put a ladder on it to hold your ladder up in the air. Wow. This contraption I made. Okay, so I needed to undo this bolt, right? And I can't use a wrench because it's like in here. This is a drill bit that fits in it, which I attached to this thing, which like extends it, I guess. I don't know. And then I needed to be able to turn this. I found this thing and I was like, oh, does it fit in here? It fits in here. I'm so proud of myself. Okay, I got the ladder holder off from the roof. I don't want to bump in my head. We have a cool update today. Look it. No shelf. Shelf is gone. Shelf got sold on Facebook buy and sell. Pretty pumped about that. Now I'm gonna take this thing off. So I'm working on getting this partition wall off, and this screw I cannot undo, and it's giving me a lot of struggles, and it's like getting partially stripped and I'm worried, and it's in like such a small tight space. The screw is stripped. I can't get it undone. I can't. I've tried everything. I don't know what to do. And if you're thinking, oh, try the good old elastic band trick, this is how many times I've tried the good old stick band trick. It didn't work. Okay, we tried glue. We tried a glue gun. Didn't work. If you cut with like a cutter across, all the way across the screw, then you can use like a flathead screwdriver to get it out. But first problem is I don't have that tool. Second of all, I don't think if I even had that tool, I could get in there to do that. Second problem, these bolts all the way along the bottom of this bulkhead thing are attached at the bottom with some weird piece that is turning with these. They're all rusty. And then the problem is the outside ones I can reach from the outside underneath, but these ones, there's like a beam under there, so they're not even accessible. I don't know if this thing's ever gonna come off, honestly. Oh my goodness, I'm about to go on my first van adventure. I'm so excited. This is so fun. I fit the whole kayak in the back and I'm going kayaking on Lake Superior. And it's so nice out today. I'm wearing shorts. Can you believe it? I don't know if I'm gonna be cold, but in Canada, as soon as it's above like 10 degrees, you pull out the shorts and the t-shirt and the sunscreen and you just full out pretend it's summer. It's currently like May. Today just really feels like summer. Like today's the first day that I'm like, I'm leaving the house with shorts on. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes. The water is turquoise and it's so sunny. I was going so fast.
Zoom in.
Yeah. Oh no. I can't stop.
Okay, I just got back from Home Depot curbside pickup because I bought this thing called Speed Out Titanium Screw Removal damaged screw extractor. It comes in a few different sizes. This was like $15 plus tax, so spending $15 to get a screw out, if it doesn't work, I'm gonna be really sad. Oh my goodness. This is supposed to be titanium. What's stronger than titanium? I don't know. This screw apparently. Is it even a screw? I don't even know. Want to see what it looks like? It looks more like a bolt on the back. I don't really know terminology of these things. Anyways, it's like this. We see? But the inside it's like a star, but it's all stripped. So it's basically just a circle. All I want is to mess around. It doesn't look any different. I need to watch some more video tutorials. Videos didn't help much, but I'm gonna try it on the drill setting. I don't really know what the difference is, but since this is technically, the side A is like drilling a hole, but you're in reverse, I don't know, that doesn't make sense to me. I don't know what attempt this is, number 17 or something. What are you supposed to do? I'm not doing it wrong. But it's fine because the longer I work on this one, the more I can ignore my other problems. It really doesn't look like anything has happened. I don't know, maybe the hole's a little bit deeper. Honestly, I don't really know. These are probably really dangerous, hey? Like, you don't want to get this stuck in your skin. No one warns me about these things. Okay, so I just watched a video and I understand a bit more now because it's not actually going in reverse, duh. It's in reverse, but because the threads are the opposite way, it's actually not reverse. It's just normal, which kind of makes sense. I don't know. It didn't click with my brain for some reason. Don't need your heart. Take it, break it. Don't need your heart. Just can't get too much of it, baby. Never enough. If I get metal shards stuck in my fingers, is that bad? It's all part of the learning process, right? I'm turning the camera on because I actually have a small glimmer of hope this time for some reason. I don't know why, but I feel like it's gonna work this time. That was hilarious, actually. Oh my goodness, guys, I got it, I think. It's coming. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so happy. Like, look at the end, you guys. Look at this. I drilled into it like forever, and I think maybe that heated it up. I don't know. I put like some WD-40 on it, but then eventually this outside piece got big enough that I could fit this drill bit into it. This drill bit is like obviously way too big for what it originally was. It's just like a 6-sided one, and it didn't even fully fit in there, but it like just fit enough that it like would hold it. And then I just used this thing again, pulled really hard on it, and it was just like click, and then it was loose. I'm so pumped. Okay, but that was only like part of the problem. We have these 4 bolts on the bottom of this thing. Going kayaking with the girls. There's Mandy. Oh, she's way over there.
Mandy, did you hear what the summer motto is? What? Live, love, laugh.
Laugh.
It's it. What?
Guys, I don't know if that's gonna solve my problem. I literally sawed this off with the hacksaw. Wow, okay, so currently the only thing stopping this from coming off is this bolt right here. I can't even loosen it, so I can't even get the saw to saw it. Halfway through sawing through this. That was insane. That took so much effort. Basically it was so tight down there that I had to start just like sawing at like the washer. Oh my goodness, it's like embedded into the saw. Okay, it ended up coming off. I just had to put in a lot of time, a lot of energy. Now I hopefully can just lift this thing off, but I kind of need help because I don't want to drop it on my face. I literally sawed through this. If I knew what I was doing, I would tell you. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna do it because whatever, right? It'll be fine. Maybe I did get my $15 worth. Who needs a roller when you have a speed out container?